welcome back to my channel. My name's Amber and this is Fabricating Fringe. Today I'm sharing with you guys a beautiful human hair wig. Obviously she's not on right now because I need to remove the front lace, and I'm going to do that in this video. But we'll start off with talking about the company and showing you the beautiful box that it came in. This is from DoU Wigs. This is the gorgeous, nice box. I don't know what it is. I talk about this time and time again. I just love pretty packaging. I think it leaves such a great impression, and this box is no exception. It's nice and sturdy. I love the gold accents, and you know that the wig is packaged and going to stay nice and secure in this type of packaging. So anyway, DoU Wigs is the brand, and they do have some synthetic human hair options. I'll have that link down below to their website and the link to the specific wig that I'm going to be talking about. But anyway, I love the name too, because when it comes to taking care of your needs, you know, self-care, making sure that you feel good about yourself, about the way you look, handling your hair loss, or just, you know, putting on hair of any kind that makes you feel good. It's like, you do you, boo, you know, do you. And so I really like the name of this company, DoU Wigs. So you'll get a paper, a pamphlet with instructions on how to care for your unit. And then it will come in a beautiful silk bag like you see here. And the nice thing is that there was also a wig grip and some extra pressure sensitive clips, so you can add that to your wig and place it where you might want more security. Of course, it's packaged nicely with a net and tissue paper, so it comes not squished or flattened. It looks great straight out of the box. But I did add some curl to this style because I wanted to see how the human hair took curl, and it did a wonderful job, as you can see here. All right, so DoU Wigs, let's check this out and see what we think. Now let's look at the underside of this cap construction before I put her on. It's really well made, very durable, high quality cap construction. Let's take a closer look. You have this lace front, nice and sheer lace front that does need to be trimmed. This hair is 100% virgin European hair. Of course, since it is human hair, you can use your heat tools and style it just the way you'd like. You can actually take it in and get it thinned, trimmed, blended, and you know, use these styles as if it's your own hair and customize it to you and your style preferences. They do say that this wig is available in an extensive selection of colors and lengths. This one here is called Sand Blonde. I don't see a lot of darker tones within the bottom part of the color, although, I mean, this bottom half is so beautiful. It's like this creamy, light blonde color, and then you have a darker root. The root looks great. The way that it's fanned out into the rest of the color, it looks really good. This here lighting doesn't do the root justice. I would say that the root is like a light brown. Okay, so with the cap, you have closed wefting. That makes it very comfortable. And then you have a 100% hand-tied French silk top for a true skin-to-skin appearance. You can part that every which way. It looks like it's growing out of your head. Let me show you guys a close-up. And then what you have is a 1/8 inch closed lace front with under ventilation, ideal for blending with the existing front hairline. You have the adjustable bands down at the nape for added security and to make this wig fit your head more true to size. This is a medium cap. And what's really nice is at the ear tabs, you have this like polyurethane material. It's like this plasticky material at the ear tabs. You could probably use either clips or adhesive right there. It's just, if you look at this cap, it's very well made. You have these strips of poly, it looks like, which can help with the grip, I'm assuming. Looks awesome. The length on this gorgeous style is 18 inches. Okay, you guys, so now I'm gonna trim this lace and I will put her on. Oh, and I do wanna point out that this beautiful lace extends to the ear tab. All right, lace is trimmed, let's put her on. Okay, look at this beautiful style. The hair is nice and soft and bouncy. Like I mentioned, the curls took so well. It's very soft. I love this density. It's just gorgeous. It's so, so pretty. Let me do a full turnaround of this beautiful wig from DoU Wigs. She is so pretty. The cap feels really great. Like I said, this is a medium. I love that it has that extra grippy type material underneath. I think it helps it stay put and it makes it feel even more secure without any type of adhesives or tapes. Now let me show you guys the lace front. You guys can trim some baby hairs if you'd like. And like I mentioned, this can be parted every which way. And it looks like natural hair growth. It looks like it's growing straight out of your scalp. Because this is human hair, I would assume that you could easily put some low lights and customize the color to your liking. What do you guys think about this beautiful wig from DoU Wigs? I'm very, very impressed. Now, here's something quite exciting. You can get $100 off your order at DoU Wigs using the code AMBER. That's capital AMBER for $100 off your order. I'll have that code down below along with the link to this specific wig and DoU Wigs social media platforms, their website, everything that you need to get in contact with DoU Wigs and check out their products. I love the dark root on this style because I do have medium brown hairs, so I think that it looks great along the ear tab. But even without any biological hair, the ear tab looks really, really great. The hair looks fantastic. It feels like quality human hair, and like I mentioned, it curls so wonderfully. It feels like butter. Feels like butter. I love it. What do you guys think about this color? I'm surprised by the shade because the rooting does look like a sandy color, but the blonde is a lot more bright. In this lighting on the screen, it looks more yellow than it actually is. It actually has a creamy look to it in my eyes, a very creamy color. It's so pretty. Let me do a close-up. Gorgeous. Comments down below, give me a thumbs up if this was helpful. Go check out DoU Wigs on Instagram, Facebook, all those social media platforms. If you haven't subscribed here, please subscribe for future reviews and tutorials. And again, $100 off using the code AMBER. All right, you guys, thanks so much for watching. Until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.